Hello everyone, in this video let's start with our series roadmap to become competitive programmer 5 star. So this is sixth problem, 7th problem. So problem name is CRED Coins. So for each bill you pay using CRED, you earn X CRED Coins. Okay, if you pay one bill, you will get X CRED Coins. Okay, so at codechef store, each bag is worth 100 CRED Coins. So at this one store basically codechef. So there are bags. So if you want to purchase one bag, you need to spend 100 CRED Coins. Yeah, got it. So chef pays Y number of bills using CRED. So total number of bills that chef has to pay is Y. So how many coins you'll get? If you pay one bill, you'll get X CRED Coins. If you pay two bills, you'll get 2X CRED Coins. If you pay three bills, so you'll get 3X CRED Coins. If you pay, let's say, Y bills, so you'll get Y into X CRED Coins. Okay, and they are saying find the maximum number of bags you can get from the codechef store. So from the codechef store, how many bags you can get? So basically you have Y into X CRED Coins, and on spend of every 100 CRED Coins you'll get one bag. So you need to find how many bags you can purchase at max. So this is basically input, which is number of test cases, and this is X and Y. So like X is basically number of coins that you'll get when you pay one bill, and Y is basically number of bills. So 10 into 10 is 100. So you have 100, exactly 100 CRED Coins, and if you want to purchase one bag you need 100 coins. So that is the answer here, 1. Now if you do 20 into 4, that is 80, and you have less than 100 CRED Coins, right? 80 is less than 100, so you won't get any bag. So here we have 0. Now if you see 70 into 7 is basically 490. So if you divide 490 by 100, so you'll get answer 4. Basically if you see logically, 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 90 is basically 490. So there are 400, so you'll get only 4 back. So here's the answer. So I think you got pretty much what is the problem statement. So you need to find y star x, x star y divided by 100. So that is our answer basically. Now let's try to code it up. Let's take number of test cases while t minus minus, and we need to take x and y. X, y, we need to see out x star y divided by 100. So now let's try to run the code. We should get 104. We are getting 104. Let's try to submit the code. So yeah, it got accepted. I think if you would have figured out x into star divided by x into y divided by 100, so you would have easily found the answer. So yeah, in this way you can code it up. So thank you guys for watching my video.